Welcome to the Little Art Attack.
Welcome to Little Poppin's Heart Attack. Today we're doing fun craft for Valentine's Day. When you do that, you can say illusion.
Yeah, as part of the Valentine's party, they got some fun gifts like this 3D llama. The 3D llama becomes a unicorn when you shake it up and down.
Yeah, it becomes a unicorn.
And this is a whale, and when you shake it up and down, it becomes a narwhal.
No.
So it's magical. You are magical, it says.
Yeah, guys,
You are amazing.
if we get to the narwhal book, look on the Little Poppin's story time, okay?
And don't forget to see their little poppins. How to say I love you in different languages. Here is a couple, which is a frog couple.
Yeah, you squish this
They are
part.
pop-up frogs.
Squish that part, leave it.
Oh, mine didn't.
Stuck on the
Yeah, only
card
only
to
if you
keep it shape.
only if you take out this part and put it right there.
First we are going to do the
Yeah, the rocket.
Valentine rocket ship magnetic craft. Using the picture guide, adhere pieces together as shown. So this is how it should go, and finally this is how the rocket should come. And you can stick the magnet behind once it's done.
Arrange the popsicle sticks. Humans.
And after that,
Whoa, I need a scale.
take the triangle, these things together.
Guys, look at that.
Guys, now we're putting it decoration on the heart.
Now turn it around. Now you color with the decorate area. The last step is to put a magnet behind.
Launching into the air.
Magnet rocket, heart rocket. Well done, Gudia. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So both your rockets are ready. And what have you written there?
NASA and ISRO in India.
You love being an astronaut.
Yeah.
Future dream.
Yeah.
What is ISRO?
ISRO is a space company in India.
And what's NASA?
NASA is a space company in the USA.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you like going to ISRO and NASA?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you launch your rockets?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off. You have love for your future dreams?
Yep.
So love can be any kind of love, right? Not just
Hey
a
guys, one big idea in my mind. What's your favorite future dream? Comment down below.
Yeah.
boy.
Give us a like if you like it.
Sending you a pocket full of love.
Second craft for today.
Oh no.
So this is the packet and this is the jewel. Okay. What is the first thing you're putting? First the mouth and then all these extras you have to stick.
The ear. Not upside down. Yes.
Right here. And now you can open one of these hearts. Lift and push that heart in. Sending you a pocket full of love, kangaroo.
Thanks for watching, guys.
I'm sending you a pocket full of love.
And send you a pocket full of love. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.